Hello, I'm Melissa and welcome to Teacher Inspiration Station. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you a simple, fun, cute first week of school activity. And this collaboration was organized by Kate the Sleepy Teacher, and I'll leave her channel down below, along with the other teacher YouTubers who are participating in this collab. And if you want to join in, if you have first week of school or first day of school activities, feel free to join us. Let me know in the comments below that you've done this video, and I'll be sure to check it out, and I'll link your video in my description. Now, if you watched my Christmas in July video, you will know that Jennifer at Glitter and Jams, hello Jennifer if you're watching, she gifted me this book called We Don't Eat Our Classmates. Now, I was thinking, now this is a good first day of school activity because this character, Penelope, it's her first day of school. I was thinking, what kind of activities can I do with this book? And I wanted Teachers Pay Teachers, but nothing really spoke to me as like a first day of school activity. So I was thinking, what can I do? And the first day of school is filled with a lot of emotion. You know, some kids are feeling very excited. Some kids are feeling very anxious, worried, curious, just lots of emotions. So I thought, you know what? How about I extend that? How about we talk about the feelings that Penelope and other characters in this book have? And I was thinking maybe they can draw the feelings. But I said, you know what? Let's keep it simple and we'll do some drama. And this can be modified for any book really that has characters and talks about feelings and things like that. I usually hold my books like this, but I don't know if it's gonna come out the frame, so I'm just gonna hold it like this for this video. It's called We Don't Eat Our Classmates. Ooh, I wonder what this book is gonna be about. You can ask the kids, but at the same point, you don't want them on the carpet too long, so you don't have to stop and ask them everything. But I'm just gonna share my thoughts on what I think the story's gonna be about. So, we don't eat our classmates. I wonder what the story is gonna be about. It looks here that this character is a dinosaur, and I'm seeing something that looks like spit coming out of her mouth. And I'm seeing a sneaker, one red sneaker over here, a blue one over here, tossed chairs. I'm thinking that maybe Penelope ate one of her classmates. Because the book is called We Don't Eat Our Classmates, and oh dear. I have a feeling that is what happened. Well, let's read and find out what happens in this story. So you open the book up, and I'll just start on this page here. And it says, oh, it's Penelope Rex's first day of school. Oh, look at Penelope. How do you think Penelope is feeling about her first day of school? Do you get some answers? Scared, nervous, sad, whatever. I'll say, okay, on the count of 3, without talking, I want you to show me with your facial expressions how you think Penelope is feeling about her first day of school. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Then you can say, ooh, I'm seeing some faces here. This child looks very nervous. How do you think Penelope's feeling? And then they'll say whatever they think. And I'm like, okay. Penelope Rex was nervous. She was nervous. It's not every day a little T-Rex starts school. Finally, the big day came, and Penelope Rex was very surprised to find out that all of her classmates were children. Penelope was surprised to find out her classmates were children. On the count of 3, no talking, I want you to show me with your face that surprised look that Penelope may have had when she found out her classmates were children. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, and you get their little facial expressions. They're gonna be so cute with the expressions. And then, last page I'll read. So she ate them because children are delicious. Penelope Rex, Mrs. Noodleman, we do not eat our classmates. Please put them out at once. So she did. On the count of 3, I want you to show me the facial expression you think the teacher had when she found out Penelope ate all of her students. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How do you think the teacher felt? Mad, upset, sad, whatever. Those have their responses. And then it goes on like that. Now, the thing is, you do not have to stop after every scenario or every feeling a character had. Kind of read the kids too, right? Like if they're starting to get a little squirmy, maybe it's time to just kind of keep going. You know, just read their body language. And also with books, you don't always want to stop. You know what I mean? Just kind of, they want to hear the story, right? But again, just feel your crowd, feel your audience, right? But I think that would be a fun activity. And one thing I like about this activity, it's safe. So you have those kids that are going to be very expressive and animated with their expressions. Then you have those kids who are a bit more shy and they'll do their own little thing. So it's not kids coming up and showing, it's just them all kind of doing their own thing on the carpet. So I do like that. So that is it. So super cute, fun activity. And I've never done anything like that before for the first day. So I'm excited to try it out and see how that goes. And that just might be an activity I do every year. And once again, you do not have to use this particular book. Any book really that showcases characters and situations. And you can do it for pretty much any fiction book. So that's exciting. Thank you to Jennifer for gifting me this book. It's being put to good use. And again, thanks to Kate for organizing this collab. And I will link her video and everyone else's video down below. And if you would like to take part in this, let me know if you plan on making a video, and I'll be sure to check it out. Thumb up this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.